Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineer Travel. You guys, I am right now in Madagascar. Yesterday I could not shoot. I booked an Airbnb yesterday because there was no hostel. The hostel I booked, I walked around 2 kilometers to the hostel. Before reaching another kilometer, I found out that in Google that the hostel is permanently closed, and it was raining. Like now it's raining. It's same way it was raining yesterday also. I booked an Airbnb. There is no other option. I booked an Airbnb. Then it was approved. So this is my Airbnb. I'll show you the full tour once I come back. And right now I'm going to take RT-PCR test. Once I come back, I'll tour you the Airbnb, why I took everything. I'll explain to you guys. So guys, you can see the place. This is how Madagascar is. So I'm just walking outside from my Airbnb. I sent owner the message that to send me the location of testing center, or probably he'll send after seeing the WhatsApp. So I'm just walking towards the city center, I guess. I don't know properly, but still I'm just going towards there. Let's see what happens. It's beautiful. You can see those flowers. It's beautiful, guys. It's all like you can see the flower plants everywhere. Guys, I'm feeling very cold because I cannot. It's feeling difficult to vlog or throughout the way because like it's very cold over here, and my fingers are getting like freezed. So I need to keep inside my coat pocket to keep it warm, because when I'm holding this camera, it's becoming freeze. I'm getting freezed, and so that guys. So one thing. Best thing over here is that if I want to cross the road, people are just so helpful. Once I step into the zebra crossing, as you can see, the people are just stopping the vehicles and they are letting me to cross the road. That's the best thing over here. So no need to worry anything. So you can see that statue. It's beautiful. It's looking beautiful. It's a theater backside. It's a landmark over here in Madagascar. So if you're coming here, this is one landmark. If you want, you can take photo, selfie, whatever you want, you can take, guys. So I'm just walking. I don't know which way to walk. I didn't get reply from my host yet. Hopefully I'll get. He didn't see my message. I can see that beautiful trees, right? So in the autumn, like it will turn again into orange. It is now yellow, greenish yellow. Now it will turn into orange, and from there to red, I think. Then it will fall in the winter. Hopefully we will see more of this, and the trip getting very excited. It's getting to the next level, guys. I'm going to the next level from tomorrow. I need to get the RT-PCR test right now. Only thing that is remaining. So I'm leveling up my trip right now. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, you can see two lions. Guys, how is the view? Beautiful, no? I'm the first vlogger from Madagascar, Indian vlogger from Madagascar, guys. Guys, I'm just enjoying the walk over here in Madagascar. It's been very beautiful walk. The climate is awesome, and even more the views. So guys, I'm just walking. I'm just near to the downtown right now. I want to show you guys the railway station. I'm just walking towards it right now. Yesterday I couldn't show because you know, guys, I had a lot of luggage, and upon that it was raining. Even now it's raining, but I don't have luggage on me because I was worried about water getting inside it. You guys have to see here, it's water everywhere. Okay. See the views, guys. It's beautiful, right? So guys, I came into this pharmacy. You can see that this is a pharmacy. I went inside to get some balm. So I bought a lip balm from there. It was necessary. My lips are like cracking. So I bought lip balm. I also translated that in Google. I used Google Translator and asked them where I can find nearby COVID testing center. They showed me something. They typed onto my mobile, and now I'm going there. We'll see what happens. So guys, my got a small this thing. So the laboratory said you have to come before 12 o'clock, not after 12. So time is now 2:30. I don't have much. I don't know what to do. So I need to go back now. So I need to come tomorrow within 12 o'clock. So I'll come tomorrow early only. So to get the report, and I'll head back to Georgia. Guys, I'm going to another laboratory now to take the test. So today I'll take the test, and tomorrow I'll get the report so that I can cross the border. And they only, the people who are there in this thing, they helped me to get the taxis, and also I'll paying that, and I'm going there right now. So it will take another 20 minutes to reach there. Once they reach, I'll update you on that, guys. Sujit, you?
Снимать меня?
No, name. मैं उसका नाम पूछ रहा था. Marcus.
Atsamaz.
Huh? Atsamaz. Okay. Huh? Tourist travel, yes. As you can see the tram on front. It's very old, like Soviet Union type. If possible, I'll show from the side also. До свидания.
До свидания.